Hey everyone, just a quick disclaimer. Please follow these steps carefully and make sure you are adjusting your system settings at your own risk. It's important to double check everything before making any changes to avoid issues down the road. What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Austin, and today we are tackling an issue that a lot of you might face when extracting larger files. Those frustrating errors like ISDone.dll and unarc.dll. These typically pop up when you are extracting files that are 30 GB or more. But don't worry, one simple fix can be adjusting your virtual memory to handle bigger workload. Now we are gonna boost the virtual memory on your system to prevent these errors. Increasing this will allow your system to handle large files more smoothly by providing extra memory beyond your physical RAM. And for this, simply click on your Windows icon and then go into the setting. Once you are here, simply click on the system. Now in Windows 10, the Windows 10 user can simply open File Explorer and then right click on this PC and then go into the properties, right? And then scroll down. You will get here the advanced system settings. The options are almost same guys, the Windows 10 and Windows 11. Now in the advanced tab, go into the performance setting and then again advanced tab. Now virtual memory, just click on change. Now by default you will see like this. Simply uncheck this and make sure choose the drive where you have enough space, right? Okay, now once you choose the drive, click on the custom size. Now in the initial size, you can choose here the recommended, which is 2934 MB. Sorry, you don't need to type MB over here, simply type the size 2934 and then in the maximum, open the calculator. And this time, right now I'm using 16 GB RAM. If you are using 8 GB or 4 GB, you can just type here and then multiplied with 1024, which is MB. So we are finding the MB size for 16 GB, which is 16.384. Now again multiply with 3 times, you will get here the 49.152. Just copy it and paste it over here. Once you have done this, click on OK. Again click on OK and then click on OK. Now in my case it's not popping up to restart your PC, but in your case definitely it will ask you to restart your PC. So go ahead, restart your PC. But wait, sometimes antivirus programs can cause these extraction issues too. They might detect some files as threat by mistake, leading to interruption in the process. To avoid this, you can either temporarily disable your antivirus or create an exclusion for the folder where your files are being extracted. Now 2 options: disable antivirus, temporarily pause it while you extract the files, and number 2, create an exclusion. Make sure your antivirus won't scan the specific folder, preventing any false positives during extraction. Here how you do that. First, I'm using here the Windows security. If you are using any other, it's better to disable it, and my highly recommendation is always use Windows security system, but everyone have their own opinion. Anyways, now what you need to do here, virus and threat protection. Now if you want to disable it, simply click on the manage settings and then just disable the real-time protection. It will give you a benefit to extract files and it won't scan while disabling the real-time protection, right? Now the second thing is exclusion. You will find the exclusion option in the virus and threat protection settings. Just click on the add or remove and then click on yes. Now simply you need to add your folder over here, folder or file. The folder is the option actually because we are extracting the file. So just suppose if you are extracting a larger file in a specific folder, just choose the destination. Suppose I want to extract the folder over here, file over here. So create a folder and then give it a name, exclusion or whatever, and then go into the exclusion option and then click on folder, click on add an exclusion and then folder. Now once you click on that, choose that folder just like this. Now you can read here, add a remove item that you want to exclude from Microsoft Defender antivirus scan, right? So your Microsoft Defender will not scan this folder. Oh, and one last thing, I recommend using WinRAR or PowerISO to handle your file extraction. These tools are super reliable and powerful when dealing with larger archive. There you go for avoiding extraction failure. Alright folks, that's it for today's tutorial. I hope this helped you fix those annoying ISDone.dll and unarc.dll errors, especially when you are dealing with larger files. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button if this was helpful. Leave a like, comment if you have any question, and I will see you in the next one.